Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for our overall health, and because of that, many individuals are looking for ways in which they can improve or promote their gut health. Whether you're already struggling with digestive issues or just looking to prevent them, natural gut health supplements could be a beneficial option for you. So in today's video, I will be discussing natural gut supplement options and providing you with 3 different ones that you could incorporate into your daily routine moving forward. Hi, I'm Katie Bailey. I'm a registered dietitian at Fluso Nutrients, where we provide supplement education and professional quality supplement options for you to make the world of nutrition supplements a little bit easier to navigate. As always, be sure to check with your main nutrition literate healthcare provider before starting anything new, as we can't know your personal history to make a recommendation for you. So without further ado, let's jump into today's topic. When we think about gut health, we often just think about the possibility of having digestive issues, but it's so much more than that. Hippocrates said, all disease begins in the gut. That's because many diseases can be caused by inflammation in the GI tract, poor digestion, or gut dysbiosis, which is just that imbalance of good to bad bacteria in the gut. This not only leads to digestive issues, but can also lead to problems with your skin, allergies, mood disorders like anxiety and depression, and autoimmune diseases. Therefore, it's imperative for us to continuously be trying to keep our gut strong and healthy to improve our overall well-being. There are so many supplement options available for gut health. So today we're going to look at 3 options that I think would be great options for you. The first supplement I want to talk about today is a probiotic. As we know, the gut is home to trillions of microbes that have a very important role in protecting our intestinal barrier, synthesizing vitamins and neurotransmitters, as well as creating short-chain fatty acids to help decrease inflammation. There are so many factors that can influence our gut microbiome negatively, things like our diet and stress and medications, just to name a few. Therefore, it's super important to be constantly replacing and promoting the growth of this good bacteria. And that's where probiotics can come in handy. The probiotic I'm going to talk about today is called Ultrabiotic Daily Powder. And this is a daily probiotic that can help with that gut flora balance. And it's a powder that can be mixed with water or other beverages. And a serving size is 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon a day. This probiotic in particular contains beneficial bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis, as well as a prebiotic that can help feed and promote the beneficial bacteria. And these strains in particular have research supporting their use in leaky gut. If you're not familiar with leaky gut, it's a condition where the intestinal lining becomes permeable or leaky, allowing undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to leak into the bloodstream and wreak havoc on the body. Just a reminder that before starting anything new, it's good to check with your healthcare provider to make sure that this supplement is right for you. And it's also important to start slow with any new supplement, because sometimes you can get side effects if you initiate it too quickly, especially with probiotics. The second supplement I want to talk about is called GI Restore. Now, this is a nutritional drink mix that is designed to promote healthy digestion. It includes amino acids, prebiotics, micronutrients, as well as antioxidants. It comes in a powder form that can be easily mixed with water, other beverages, or smoothies, and it comes in 2 flavors, vanilla or chocolate. It has 12 grams of protein per serving with added vitamins and minerals, as well as key nutrients like L-glutamine, turmeric, and zinc carnosine. Now, L-glutamine is an amino acid that is a fuel source for the cells in our intestinal tract. And research has shown that supplementing with L-glutamine can help maintain the integrity of the gut lining and heal leaky gut. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, meaning it's going to help to decrease that inflammation in the gut, which is a good thing because too much inflammation in the gut can cause leaky gut. And then lastly, zinc carnosine is a compound that combines the mineral zinc with the amino acid L-carnosine. And this has been shown to help protect the integrity of the gut lining, as well as repair damaged cells and to decrease inflammation. The last supplement I want to talk about today is called GI Integrity. Now, this is also a nutritional drink mix that's designed to support the integrity and the function of the GI tract. It's a powder that can, once again, be easily mixed with water or other beverages. And this one has 3 different flavors to choose from: a berry, peach tea, and chocolate. Beneficial ingredients in this one include licorice, aloe vera, marshmallow root, slippery elm, among some other nutrients as well. Licorice is an herb that can really soothe irritation and promote healing in the digestive tract. Aloe vera is also a very soothing ingredient for the digestive tract, and some studies have shown that it can actually help symptoms of IBS and leaky gut. Marshmallow root and slippery elm are herbs that can help restore that protective mucus lining in the digestive tract and also help to decrease the possibility of permeability of the gut. It also contains L-glutamine and zinc carnosine like the previous supplement we talked about, but the difference is it doesn't have all those added vitamins and minerals. It just has those key ingredients to help soothe and support the digestive tract. To wrap up our topic for today, improving your gut health can dramatically improve your overall health. And by adding nutrients and herbs like our L-glutamine and licorice, probiotics, marshmallow root, and some of the other nutrients that we discussed today, is a great way to promote gut health and healing. The supplements I mentioned today are great options, as a lot of them have a lot of the supplements combined in one, so that it makes it a lot easier to get these nutrients into your diet. Remember, diet is also very important, and although supplements can be very beneficial to add, you want to do this in conjunction with a well-balanced whole foods diet full of amino acids and proteins and healthy fats, carbohydrates, and plenty of fiber from fruits and vegetables. Also, promoting gut health is going to include healthy lifestyle practices like getting adequate sleep and exercise, as well as managing your stress. I have linked all the supplements that I discussed in today's video in the description box below if you're looking to give them a try. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. If you're interested in working with our clinic, you can click the link below to schedule an initial appointment. We do take insurance, and you can find information about that on our website. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.